Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel with another tutorial. So today we'll learn how to create a WooCommerce shop page using Elementor. So first of all, open our website. If you don't familiar with this Pantheon.io, how to create a staging website, how to create a free website, free hosting, we have already video on it, so please link in description. Please follow that video if you want to create a your staging or development site. So first of all, we go to here, so we create a websites using Elementor kit. We have already video on it, how to create this website using Elementor by 10-20 minutes. Our templates is a link already in description for of video. So go to site admin. So today we create a shop page using Elementor. So just log in our website. Simply you log in your website, and now here's your admin dashboard. So you need to prerequisite WooCommerce plugin and Elementor Pro plugin. So I have already Pro plugin in that video. So where we have creating this Elementor, we get a free Elementor Pro plugin and also get a free template, this one. So you need to go to back this video, so link in description, you must follow that link. Let's start it for our shop page. So now our shop page is a basic shop page. So we need to create a something like different and using Elementor. So go to our Elementor templates, add new template. So select template type is archive, product archive. So click here, name is template shop page, create template. So once the template created, here's you can also use this one, insert this. So because we don't connect with our library, because we are using free plugin, pro plugin without license key, so we just go to here, my template. If you want to use your own template, here's a single post. You check that you have a shop template. So we don't have a shop template, we create using Elementor. So here's a first you need to publish, add condition, entire site for all if you want to create a specific shop page for specific category, specific product tag or specific page, so you can add here. If you want to create all product archives, where follow the all the categories, all the tags, all the products, shop page, and each and everything, all the brands shop page, so you can just create all product archives, save and close. So now reload this page. You can see here's a empty page. Come here, because we have nothing here. So we have a different type of widgets, archive products widgets. You just scroll down, and here, so it's the same like a default widget of you can add something here. It seems if you not no product exist, so allow order, don't allow order, this is a sorting order, allow count, show result count, don't count, here's a show result count. You just basic styling of between two, because we have currently one item. If you have a more than one, so you just basic styling of this text, row gap, because we sorry, so you just add row gaps, alignments. You can set alignment of item, you can set spacing of text and between colors, you can set your colors. You can also set from here. So so you can set a spacing, set a rating setting, you can set a price color here, regular price here, sale price. Yeah, you can set color, you can set regular price here, color, We have a lot of options, text, button text, color, and these are options we have already as our default features of our Elementor and using these things. So just update and go to here. So this is a default. How to can create a something like different, something like amazing? So we need some Elementor widgets. So Elementor, you can also call Elementor add-ons. So we need one plugin for Elementor add-ons. Go to our plugin section. This is a free plugin. Name is Woocommerce. So sorry. So here's our plugin. We just install that plugin and activate. So once the plugin's activated, so template builder, template library. So we have a cart page and our home page packages, and you can see here we have a shop page templates. So here's a free template, and these are all a paid template. So here's a import. Just click import to library, import to builder. So we just import to library. If you want to import library, Woocommerce is activated. Let me check. So no, still is not activated. Import to library. So it's imported. Add a template. So here's you can see the styling of our is almost change. So just update and publish. Update, go to here, reload. Still not updated. So now go to here, navigate, remove this section and click here, my templates, shop, one page, single page, stop, insert, apply. One second. Let me get back. Oops, something went wrong. So save as template, shop temp, save, go back here, reload, yes, here's insert, apply. Still not work. Let me choose here Woocommerce site and WordPress. I think so, something went Woocommerce. I think we need to reload this page. Let me reload. Maybe widgets is not loaded because we have not reloaded the page after installing our Woocommerce Pro Shopland. Oh yes, now all the widgets are here. Just remove this, delete, close down, close down, close. Pro. So here's a Shopland, all the widgets. So you can also using if you want to show the universal product layout, you just import here. So here's a basic layout. Now we have a query setting, content setting, action button setting. So here's a cart icon, and these styles are something like this. So countdown, and we have a lot of feature. So just add here universal. You can also styling, all the options are here, text font family, each and everything you want to set up here. Cart icon action you also set from here. Query setting means you can set a recent product, you can related ordering, you can ordering your product if you want to exclude out of stock, exclude hidden item. Custom order, if you want set a custom order according to your requirement, you can set here. Content setting, and each everything we have features you can just update. And you go back here, reload this page. Now you can see as I become a card and proper styling and looking, it's awesome. We have a lot of widgets here. You can also, if you want to set as a tab, you can also use this widget. Banner, if you want to add a banner before of this section, you just add a banner. We'll enter banner here. So here's a banner, you can left side alignment, content right alignment, oh sorry, above of this content. If you rearrange something like this, so you can go here, you can add your image according to your requirement. Banner image, let's suppose I'm using this, not banner, this is so this is our banner image. Also set up banners, you can banner title, subheading, set a sub. If you want to add a link, you can just add a link also here. So button text you can add to cart, you can set something like this here and just update. You can also, we have a oh yes, it has a lot of styles, 2 styles. So this one style and other is style 1. So you can also set up a grid category if you want to set a grid category. One page slider if you want to set a slider. Product accordions, image accordions. Archive titles, breadcrumbs, if you want to set a breadcrumbs of your page, you just where I added, oh sorry, here you can set it open, so it's according to work your requirements. So here's our complete detail of how to make a shop WooCommerce shop page using Elementor. If you have any question or query, please comment in sections. If you like our video, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels. Thank you very much. We can meet in our next video for latest and more contents. Bye bye.